Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to RDP remote access into a Windows virtual machine. In order to do so, you'll need to set up a Windows domain while launching your deployment. If you'd like to review how to launch a deployment, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Otherwise, launch your deployment as normal, but when you get to Windows domain, fill in a domain name. Give your system some time to deploy, and you will be able to remote access into it. Click Connect on the asset card, and under Windows Domain Connection, input your domain name and your login credentials. And there you are. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.